We have been wanting to do some work at the farm for a long time. There's some holes that we need to fill in, some ruts that we need to fill in. There's some dirt we need to move around, and some olive trees we want to dig up. So my brother has a backhoe, and he just now gave Nick a training on how to use it. And now we are going to try to do some stuff at the farm, and hopefully it goes well. Nick seems to be doing really well with it. It's a big machine, so I would not want to drive it, but I think he's enjoying it, and I'll show you here in a minute. So this particular olive tree is very annoying. It's like right in the way. It's as we're coming up the path there, it's in the way, and then as we're trying to get into the shed, it's kind of in the way. So he's working on it right now, trying to see if he can get it out of there, and just kind of playing with the machine and seeing what it'll do and how to do it. Our lily pads, you guys. They are everywhere. We used to have 2 grass carp in here, but the summer that my dad passed away, they both passed away. Like, they both died, like within a week or so of each other. So the carp usually kept down the lily pads. At least I think that's what did, because we didn't have a lily pad problem before. So we're trying to find one. I think my dad used to get them from southern states, but I haven't been able to find one. So hopefully we can get another one in here or 2 and get this get these lily pads under control. All right, I'm getting ever closer so I can see what's going on. These olive trees are horrible. They're highly invasive. They take over all the vegetation, like the natural vegetation that you have, and then they start to choke out like your bigger trees, and it's just horrible, and I hate them. They have big old thorns. And then there's like poison ivy and all kinds of stuff that grows up inside of them too. So this is gonna be awesome if we can get some of these taken out with this. We were doing it manually with a shovel, and we also tried like wrapping a chain around it and pulling them out with the truck or the tractor, and that was a ton of work. I'll link a video to where you all can see how we did that, and it worked. You know, it pulled them out by the roots, which is what you have to do, but it was very, very time consuming. So hopefully this will do a little bit better. Yay! He's getting the roots out. Keturah. Oh, that is awesome. Love it. Yeah, that's awesome. In about 20 minutes, he got out 3 of these huge olive trees. He's done a total of, I think, 4, 5, 6, total of 6. wool coming out right here.
Is it leaking right there?
Yeah. Daggone it. Like a bunch, it didn't look like just oil, like it's like white and foamy.
I got water in it. Take a picture.
Okay.
It's just that one side.
Yeah, it didn't come out the other side. Every time you move it, it leaks. Every time you move something, it leaks.
Yeah. It's got a bad seal.
That's not good. Sorry.
How long it's been doing that?
I don't know. Today we had a tornado watch, and there were extremely high winds that came through our area. And our little pullet coop was right here with our 30 birds. And when we got here, it's ended up over here. So it flipped completely upside down, and all of the pullets are out running around with the big birds. So far, we haven't seen any fatalities, thankfully. But, and they seem to be nice to them, like the big birds, the big ones, older ones. So now we have to try to get all of them back in, and we'll see how that goes. Girls, were you scared? I am so sorry. I'm so sorry that happened. I hope we can get you back in. Y'all are so pretty. Did it damage anything?
Broke that corner over there. Hinges.
Were the hinges?
Yeah, it's easy to fix.
Okay, good. Maybe they will go back in once we turn it over. And there were a few of them that were roosting in here when we got here. All right, I'll help.
Didn't need it.
Oh, okay, then I'll tape. Yeah, they're clear.
Sure?
Yes, I'm positive. Wow. Oh, look at them all running away. So this is how we move it. And we've been moving it at least every other day. Sometimes we move it every day. It's pretty easy, but usually I have to stay on the end down there and kind of scare the birds this way a little bit. That way they don't get stuck. Their little feet don't get stuck underneath there. Well, at least they're doing good. It'd be nice if we could let them stay with the big girls, but the problem is they're eating a different feed. So we would have to feed all of them the grower. And the big girls are eating a layer feed, which is what they need. So I don't know how that would work. I guess we will find out. I don't know. I need to research that. All right, girls. You want me to go get the fence? Or you want to go get it?
Trust you, I'm back. If they go back in the coop, we just put them back in the coop.
Okay.
Fairly good. Scare them.
Yeah.
They're big birds.
You are being such a good girl to the babies. Thank you. Go inside. Go on. Go inside. Go in your shelter. It's okay. Go in your shelter. No.
One or two get out. That's fine.
Go in your shelter. Go in your shelter. Go in your shelter. Go in your shelter.
Get the foot farther up behind you.
Uh-oh. 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 Tell him, Harriet. Well, you're Henrietta. Tell him, Henrietta. Say, go in your shelter. Ooh, we got a lot of them.
Down took that last one.
Go on. Go on. This one's not scared of me. Oh, 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 oh. Go on. Go on. All right. All right, so we've gotten them all back in there except this one. I'm hoping she'll just walk in, but it's hard because these want to walk out sometimes because they get scared of Nick. Oh, okay.
Look at that done.
Huh? Oh,
Look at that done.
yeah. Oh, okay. Good job, girls. Good job, honey. They're all in there safe and sound.
I'm gonna dump this seed on
Hopefully they're all,
down there.
okay, hopefully they're all in there. It looks like it. I might try to count them real quick. All right, so I got them all counted. There are 10 of the barred rocks, 11 Rhode Island Reds, and 12 of the Buff Orpingtons. So we are good. We have them all in here. Because whenever I bought them, I had asked for 10 of each, and he gave me 11 of the Rhode Island Reds and 12 of the Buffs, which is awesome. But they're all in here, so yay! Pretty girls, look how red their combs are. They're so pretty. You girls are so pretty. Good morning. I am in a new atmosphere. So I am starting my teaching 4th grade today. So, well, not teaching, but I'm getting my room ready. So I'm giving you all a preview of what it looks like. And then hopefully it'll look a lot better by the end of the day or end of tomorrow. Hey everyone. So last time we told you about Maybelle, we had said that we hoped that she was bred because we did AI, but she was not bred. She went ahead and went back into heat a couple times, so we knew that she wasn't. So we went ahead and gave her a break, and we need to breed her again in order for her to be ready to have piglets in January. So she should come back into heat September 13th. We will breed her then, and then she will be ready to farrow in January, and that will be good for our show pigs. So I have been sick for a couple of, well, probably for about a week. And Nick has been working on doing all the stuff for the farm for the past 2 days by himself. But today, since she wasn't pregnant and we weren't getting hogs from her to have meat for next year, we went ahead and we bought 5 from a friend of ours. It's a friend that Afia met through the FFA, and we've become friends with his parents. So we bought 5 of their hogs. They are a Hampshire Duroc cross, and we have them in the back. We are taking them over to the farm. Nick has the training pen set up, and hopefully they will be good for probably April or May at the latest to process and give us some meat for next summer for our farmers markets. So we've been doing pretty good with the farmers markets. Nick had to go today by himself just because I can't shake this stupid cold, whatever it is. And yeah, so just wanted to give you an update. I am in my week 4 of teaching. So I got moved from 4th grade to art. So I'm doing art for the whole elementary, which is fun. And it's not nearly as stressful as 4th grade, even though I loved 4th grade and I loved the kids. But anyway, that's what we are up to. And we will show you the piglets here in just a little bit. They are sleeping in the back.
Go back and get it. Thank you.
Here's a little update. We have moved the hens down here to the bottom of the hill. We've got some olives. Nick's been working on that. And then right there, we have our 2 pullet grow out pens that we are using to grow out our new egg layers. So they're all looking pretty good. And if you can't hear them, which I'm sure you can, the goats are on top of the hill right up there. So as soon as we get here, they start yelling at us. And the pigs are over there to the right. And there they are. Hi, little ones. 1, 2, where'd the others go? Oh, 3, 4, 5. Aw, I don't see much of the Duroc in them, but I know they are. I love Duroc's floppy ears. I don't see any floppy ears. That's okay. You mainly got the Hampshire look, don't you? ya? Silly girls. So these two still have some problems with their back legs. I don't know if you can see them. But I took them to the doctor, to the vet, and the vet thinks that they have mange. So I've been treating them for the mange, but it's not going away. I've done all the treatments the doctor said, and it's not going away. So I'm not sure that it is mange, but we can't put them with the other goats until they get better. If I can get you close up. She doesn't like to let me near her legs. Quit. Why aren't you eating? You love to eat. See there? It looks really bad. And his do too. His isn't as bad as hers, but a little bit. Yeah, she is. I'll get you some baking soda. And there's our 3 big hogs that are getting ready to go at the end of September. So they've got about 2 weeks to go. We were waiting to get a processing date. So let's see, they were born in January. So yeah, 9 months. February, March. 8 months, sorry. 8 months. They're looking pretty good. There's Thor. That was Aphia's backup pig for the fair. And we've been trying to sell our 2 new little does, but we haven't had any interest. They are ADGA and AGS registrable. So if anybody's interested, let us know. They are precious. Aphia named that one Brooke. The brown one is Brooke, and the white one is Binky. They love to argue over the minerals. So we had to take out their mineral feeder because they were sharing a paddock with the lamb, and of course the lamb can't have the minerals because it's not good for them. So we had to take that out, and then we haven't put one back in since we put them in here. So we have to kind of just hold it and let them eat it, and they like to all 3 put their head in at the same time. Hi, Brooke. She's not even fighting. Usually she's the one fighting to get in there. Huh. That's odd. She usually stamps her little foot. There she goes. She's like, hello, my turn. Love the minerals, don't ya? Your ears are kind of laying down today. Usually, you're so cute. What? You like the camera, don't ya? Stop. She also likes to get stuck in the stupid fence. Usually they're all 3 trying to push their head in there at the same time. You all are being nice. That's good. You're taking turns. And Brooke's even walking away. It's so odd. It's time to go in your new house, your new paddock.
Come on.
Shh, it's okay. It's okay. You're supposed to be all boys. They're all barrels. I'm not trying to scare them all towards you. Oh, I can see them around. They're gonna all go together. I'm gonna have to lift one of them up and hand them to you. That's, and we have to leave up the, we gotta leave up the tailgate. So here's an up close look of the pullet pens. They look good. Here's all of our pretty hens that are laying right now. They're looking healthy and happy, and some of them are still hiding over there in the olives. They're waiting on my eggs. I have some cracked eggs that I'm gonna give them. All right, girls. Feeder's all the way at the back? Oh. So we have these girls, which should be ready to go with the big flock the 1st of October. So just about another month. And then we have these girls, which will be a month after that. So they should be the 1st of November. And we just move them every day. We pull them both forward and then fill up their feed and fill up their water. I love these, the lavender Orringtons. I think they're so pretty. And all of your combs are so pretty and red. I love it. You look so healthy. And don't be laying eggs over there in the olives. Any over in there? Is that where you found the green ones last time?
There's 4 of them right there.
Okay.
She was sitting on all 3. There's 3 of them.
Oh, so she's broody.
It was one of them black ones there.
Oh, okay.
See one that has
Australorp.
that one with the not real red.
Okay, maybe. Okay.
I don't know. I took a picture of it. But she had just laid an egg and she was
Singing?
singing pretty loud.
Huh. Okay. I'm gonna go see how many's in the nest box. We have not been getting very many recently. And I'm thinking that it is because, oh, there's 2 of them in there that are broody. There's been like 4 that are broody, but I think it's also because of the heat. Because I know sometimes when it's extremely hot, like it has been in the 90s, they don't lay as many. So I think some have stopped laying for a little bit. We have 46 that should be laying, and we're only getting maybe 20 a day, which is not that many at all. So we have 60 more in the pullet pens, the grow outs. That should be, ooh, here's a lot. Oh, but one of the good ones is cracked already. Daggone it. That makes me so mad. Urgh. There's quite a few today. Hey, is any of these cracked? No? Looks good. Are you hiding any under there? Yep. Give me that one. That's a big one. Ooh, that one's pretty. All right. And there goes a broody one. She's not happy with me. You can't just sit in there all day doing nothing. All right, how many did we get, honey?
I didn't count.
Oh.
Probably 2 dozen.
Really?
Maybe.
That's the most we've gotten in a while. All
I
right,
get
good.
like 18.
Yeah. Goody good.
Well, yesterday we had 25, but 3 of them were cracked.
Oh, and only one was cracked today. So that's better.
There might be 20 there.
Hope so. We got people waiting on them, don't we?
Yep. Can't keep them anymore.
No, we can't even eat them. Today we were scraping by to find some eggs that we could eat. We have a new customer that is a bodybuilder, and he orders 8 at a time. Then we have another really good customer that orders 6 dozen at a time, and another one that orders 4 at a time, another one that orders 3. So we are doing good to get any to eat ourselves. And then we have these 3, which were the ones that we raised in our little incubator. We put 7 in. I did not check to see if they were fertile. I just put them in there. But we put 7 in, and 3 were fertile, and 2 of them are roosters. So we only got 1 hen, but she's really pretty, I think. Hello, Roo. And we're trying to sell these guys because we don't really need any roosters right now. We have one that we like, Picasso. So, and this girl should be laying anytime. So I'm getting ready to move her. Anytime that we're going to be over here at night, which we might tonight, I'm going to try to move them in to the big paddock over there with the big coop and the older girls. So, but these aren't too friendly. I don't know why either. Oh, y'all still have quite a bit of feed. Hi. And we just moved this around. It's gotten really grown up in here, and we've been mowing around the outsides, but we just keep moving it around the paddock. So this is where it was before. And it works out pretty good. I might start putting my broody hens in here instead of these 3. Are you all in there? There she is. Isn't she pretty? I think she's pretty. Hi. The one in the back, I think, is a Roo. And then she's the only hen. Let's go see if she laid an egg. Did you lay an egg? I'm just waiting. I'd like to see what color egg she's going to lay before I move her. That way I know. Did you lay an egg? No, not yet. I don't see any. I see lots of feathers, but no egg. Aw, that stinks. Okay, bye. All right, I'll get your food. We did not bring our tripod, so we couldn't really show you us getting them out of the truck, but we got them all 5 in there, and they're doing pretty good. Seem pretty happy. And now we're getting ready to run their water. Are you running from the other pig's paddock? Are you getting your cereal? Is it good? I know, you want in there too. You're a camera hog too, aren't you? You're like, if he gets his picture in the video, I want my face in the video. Would you quit? Be nice. Y'all are brothers and sisters. You're supposed to be nice to each other. I know. You're good pickers. I know. Ooh, that feels good, doesn't it? Does it feel good? You're gonna kill your back.
It's heavy today.
Probably because you're tired.
Why? 300 pounds.
I know, but you're exhausted.
I do feel tired.
I know. All right, good night. We'll come check on you tomorrow. There's your food and your water. Good night, girls. You all be good. Don't get in the fence, Brookie. Brooke, don't get in the fence.